Hello everyone, welcome to my iPhone Sport YouTube channel. This is Zishan and you are watching my iPhone Sport YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Apple ID verification on iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, firstly go to App Store and install any app that you want to use on your iPhone. Then tap use existing Apple ID. Here enter your Apple ID, then enter your Apple ID password. After entering the Apple ID password, click on OK button. Now Apple ID verification window will appear on your screen. Here click on setting. So guys, wait for a few seconds, then enter your two-factor authentication code. After entering the two-factor authentication code, Apple ID will sign in iTunes and App Store. Now go back to the iTunes and App Store and install any app that you want to use on your iPhone. That's it. So guys, if you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new latest updates. Thanks for watching this video.